Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. I got a chicken video coming out tomorrow for you. Hope you go see that one. But in the meantime, I try to help my buddies out here on YouTube. And I just went and checked out a buddy of mine, and he made a new trailer video for 2018. It's awesome. It really is. If you like watching videos and really cool videos that people put together, the link's gonna be right here. Big Bad Wolf Moto. Check them out. See you tomorrow night. It's Papa Texas.